Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to sell branded products on Amazon, and this is a common question I get asked a lot by some students, but also just some people on my YouTube channel, how do I go about selling stuff on Amazon that is branded, like Nike shoes or this brand or Disney products? And the answer is, guys, if you're just getting started with selling on Amazon, do not go after branded products. It's much easier to sell and private label your own products, right? Now, if you do want to do that, you need to have permission. There's exclusive certificates and rights. You've got to show Amazon, you've got to front them up to show that you do have permission to sell branded products. But my question to you is, why would you want to sell a branded product on Amazon? Why not sell your own brand on Amazon? What is stopping you from selling your own brand? And the answer is nothing. We do something called private labeling, which is basically creating your own logo, creating your own brand, and stamping it on a product and making it yours. And I would say about 99% of my students get around to branding their own products. It's something that you should do also, all right? So not only does it make your business more attractive, 2-3 years down the line, perhaps even for resell your business, if you have a brand, if you've got an Instagram page, if you've got a Facebook page, if you have a website, right? Build that around your Amazon brand, because that way when people Google your brand, all these things pop up, right? So I would advise I would advise anyone on Amazon selling and they've got making regular sales and making money, I would say, guys, build yourself a brand, put yourself out there on Facebook, Instagram, and much more, all right? So guys, get out there, start private labeling your product, start building your own brand, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.